It's a 2017 BMW X3. This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, power liftgate, driver memory seats, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend reports, with newfound suppleness to its suspension setup, greater agility, stronger performance, reduced thirst, and expanded roominess, the X3 feels much more like something conceived in Munich should. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.